there are two major superficial muscles on the ventral side of the cat. The one on the lateral side is sartorius, this thin flap, but a broader muscle. And one on the medial side or the groin side is gracilis, so G. And both of these muscles are covered by fascia and by fat in a lot of your cat. So you'll have to remove the fascia and you'll have to remove the fat. And in between these two muscles is this blue colored blood vessel, saphenous vein. So you'll be able to distinguish the two muscles based on that. So once you have found the two muscles, you're going to cut them right around the knee and then raise these flaps and look for the superficial muscles on the dorsal side. So the superficial muscle on the dorsal side, this major chunk, big chunk right here is biceps femoris. And one on the lateral side would be this guy, tensor fasciae latae, which kind of like is muscle on the top, but by the bottom it kind of becomes a fascia. So it's easily identifiable, but not easily dissectable. All right, so these, and the other superficial muscle is gonna be the calf muscle, right here on the calf of the cat. All right, so once we've found the superficial muscles, we'll go ahead and raise the flap, and on the lateral side you'll come across a hot dog. So this hot dog has two buns, like just another good hot dog, and one hot dog. So the lateral bun is vastus lateralis, medial bun is vastus medialis, and there's this hot dog or rectus femoris in the middle. And underneath gracilis, or on the medial side, all the muscles are listed on your objective sheet in a particular order, the way they occur in the body. So we'll start with this upright muscle, kind of like going on the in a straight line, but you'll have to remove a lot of fascia to see this muscle. This is iliopsoas. And then the rest of them are on the medial side of the saphenous vein. Deeper to the saphenous vein is a tiny muscle, pectineus, right here. This is pectineus. And the second muscle that you're going to see is right next to pectineus. This is adductor longus. And then is adductor femoris, right here. These are semimembranosus, two heads of semimembranosus. And this is semitendinosus, which connects the thigh to the gastrocnemius, or the calf muscle. So this is all on the ventral side. On the dorsal side, once you have found all the muscles on the ventral side, you go ahead, instead of cutting the biceps femoris, go on the lateral side of the biceps femoris and cut all the way up until the tail, until you find a sciatic nerve, which is this really thick, yellow colored blood vessel like nerve, as in like it looks like a blood vessel, but it is a nerve and it's not dyed. And you'll find these really fragile muscle fibers right here. These are actually 4 muscles, but they have 5 heads. That means one of the muscle appears twice. So starting from cranial to caudal, this is gemellus cranialis, obturator internus, gemellus caudalis, obturator internus again, and the last one is portatus femoris. I might be wrong. Might be wrong as in like I don't remember the name. Other than that, you have another muscle, caudofemoralis. We found caudofemoralis in a lot of cats last time. And you also have piriformis, which is this pyramid-shaped flappy muscle under gluteus medius. Right. Okay, that's about it.